بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اعزائي طلبه الصف الثاني الثانوي، هنكمل النهارده موضوع التروبيزم. هنبدا بالسكند تايب اللي هو the geotropism، الانتحاء الارضي. What is the geotropism? The geotropism is the curvature of the plant parts to if exposed to gravity of one side. The normal case is the plant existed vertically. What happens if the plant horizontal? If the plant horizontal, we will observe that the stem will be negative geotropism because the stem will bend away of the gravity and the root will be bent down toward the gravity, and the figure you will see that the stem bends up, so it is negative. It behaves opposite to the gravity, so the root behaves and directed toward the gravity, so it is a positive geotropism. The root is positive geotropism. Why? The explanation. Why the root is positive geotropism. The root is positive geotropism due to the auxins that mentioned in the previous session. The auxins, which is the plant hormones, accumulate in the lower side cells. In the lower side cells. Those will be very high concentration downwards and low concentration upwards. As mentioned in the phototropism, there is an inverse relationship between the concentration of auxin and the elongation of root cells. So, the high concentrated surface here will be inhibited. And the low concentration will be stimulated. Because these side cells will grow more, and these side cells will grow less as they are bonded with each other, so the root will bond downwards towards the gravity, and here is the explanation of the root being positive geotropism. Why the stem is negative phototropism? The same idea. Auxins accumulate downwards. When auxins accumulate downwards and they will be high concentration, they will activate the growing of this side cell more than the low concentrated side. So, as they are bonded with each other and the lower surface grows more and the upper grows less, so it bends away of the gravity, so it is a negative geotropism. Let's get that hydrotropism. The hydrotropism, the root is positive, and the hydrotropism is the curvature of plant root toward the humidity. So the plant root grows downwards first as a response to gravity, then it directed right or left upon the humidity or the presence of water. The root is positive hydrotropism. Why? Let's examine this figure. When plant obtains water from one side and the other side is dry, or the water is high to the right side and is low in the left side, auxins accumulate in the water. Auxins accumulate toward this water. So the auxins here with high concentration, and the auxins in this area will be low concentration. As we mentioned many times, inverse relationship existed between concentration of auxins and the elongation of root cells. So this side cell will elongate less due to the high concentration, and this side cell will elongate more. As they are bonded with each other, so the root will bend toward the humidity, so it will be positive hydrotropism, and here is the explanation. From the previous, we can say that the stem is positive phototropism and the negative geo and hydrotropism. The root is negative phototropism and positive hydro and geotropism. We can say that auxins accumulate in the dark side. Auxins accumulate downwards. Auxins accumulate in humidity. And here is the idea of all types of tropism. Here is the idea of all types of tropism. If you got the idea is a direct relation existed between concentration of auxins and the elongation of stem cells. The idea is inverse relation existed between the concentration of auxins and the elongation of root cells, and here is the sensation in plant. Thank you.